Here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres. Unfortunately, I don't know which field it is, but it's quite hard material. The material's being wetted to help highlight the colours. This is the original piece. As I say, it's been slabbed out of a big piece. I've broken it open. It's one of the pockets that started to show through. That's the other side of it. Like that. There may be some more in here, but there's no guarantee. Here's the other half. Just broke over here. There's still more veins down here too. There's a bright green vein across the top there. How far it goes, don't know, but it's a good possibility of being more. It's got a bit of pink, purple, blues up here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.